We're going to cook a sambal chili, which is good on its own or can be added as a condiment to other dishes. For today, I'm going to have it with hard-boiled quail eggs. This is 15 dried chili, about 6 shallots, and 2 cloves of garlic. Boil the dried chili until soft for about 5 minutes. Grind all the ingredients plus 1 small piece of belacan into a paste. We can now start to cook the sambal chili. As much as possible, we would like to cook with less oil. To do this, we have to put into our cooking more patience by using medium to small heat. You can see that the color is gradually changing. This is after 5 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons of water. As it is still dry, we are adding another 3 tablespoons of water. Add salt and sugar to taste. Do not add too much salt as the belacan is salty. We're adding just a pinch of salt and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. We like our sambal a little sweet. Add the quail eggs and mix. If you would like to see how we cook the quail eggs such that they are easy to peel, please see my other video by clicking on the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.